Yeah, what's up, man? Sorry I haven't talked in a while. Been really, really busy. I got like a second job. Anyway, give me a call back. I'm just going to the second job right now. But anyway, love you, man. Sorry I haven't been in touch. And I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. Yo, what's up, man? I haven't talked in a while. I want to talk to you. All right, give me a call.
Okay, let's try this again. So I'm only doing this for old time's sake because the truth is that you already know all of these things. And I've been telling them for 3 years, and I know that you're finally telling yourself, but you are so incredibly worth it. You are so deserving of love and happiness and fulfillment and everything. I mean, you're just such a great person, and I'm so incredibly proud of you because you've overcome a lot, and it's been truly, truly my pleasure to help you overcome all of this. But the reality is that you did all the hard work, and it means that you're just going to be able to keep going forward and making as much progress as you see fit, because that's the only person that can get in your life. So please, please, like I said before, continue to believe in yourself. Please talk back to those voices in your head, Donald and Melvin in particular. Challenge them, advocate for yourself. Keep asking yourself, what else could it be? All right, I know you know all these things, and I have every confidence that you're going to keep doing well.